Hello friends, my hatch failed to work. I disconnect the ceiling, then disconnect the hatch mechanism. Here friends, there are ropes that rust with time. You cannot just lubricate them. You need to disassemble and clean them in gasoline. Further, we collected everything and checked for workability. The ropes are fasteners on clips. If them are removed, it will be necessary to fix them with self-tapping screws or bolt. This is ropes fasteners. As you can see, all of them to rust. Friends, into this spot, use lubricant to grease the ropes. But if there is a rust, then it will be necessary to disassemble everything. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.